Alright, let's look at the homework 2.8, problem number 3. Alright, so we have this equation given, and for part A, we want to find dy over dt, and when x equals 9, y equals 12, and dx over dt is equal to 4. Alright, so let's take the derivative here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually go down here and take the derivative with respect to t. So derivative of x squared is 2x times dx over dt, and the derivative of y squared is 2y times dy over dt, and the derivative of 225 is just constant, so it's going to be 0. Alright, then all we have to do is plug in what's given and then solve for dy over dt. Alright, so let's do that. So since we're looking for dy over dt, this is the guy we want. All we have to do is first I'm going to move this guy over to the other side. So by subtracting 2x dx over dt. Alright, so we have 2y dy over dt is equal to negative 2x dx over dt. Alright, we have that. Then we can isolate the dy over dt, so by dividing through by 2y. Alright, so we have a dy over dt is equal to negative x over y dx over dt. Alright, but in this case we can see that here x is given to be 9, so we put 9 here. And the y is also given, and it's 12, so put 12 there. Right, and dx over dt is in this case is 4, so we put 4 there. Right, then we can cancel. Let's see, 12 and 4 cancel, it's a 3, and 3 and 9 cancel, you have a 3, so it's going to be equal to negative 3. Right, so answer is negative 3 for part A. So let's type it in. Right, so answer we got was negative 3. Right, so let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got part A correctly. Alright, so let's do part B. Alright, so to do part B, we're actually looking for dx over dt. So the equation is exactly the same, the derivative is exactly the same. So I'm going to actually use this, and I'm going to actually solve this equation for, since we're looking for dx over dt. So this is the guy actually we want for part B. Alright, so I'm going to just divide through by negative 2x. Alright, that way, so this side becomes dx over dt, right, because negative 2x cancel out. So that's going to be equal to, right, so 2y over negative 2x, and then we have a dy over dt. Alright, then we can cancel, let's see, 2 on top and the 2 on the bottom. So we get negative y over x dy over dt. Alright, then we can just plug in these numbers. So here's a negative sign. Alright, y is 9, so we put 9 on top. And then x is 12, so we put 12 on the bottom. And the dy over dt is -2, so we put the -2 there. Alright, so we can cancel, so negative sign cancel out, and 2 and 12, that will be 6, and then 9 is multiple 3, divided by 3 is 3, divided by 3 is 2, so you get the 3 halves. So we have 3 halves. Alright, so let's type it in. So answer we have is 3 halves. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got part B correctly as well. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.